guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's a whole new setup. Ignore the background. You might see some things you're not supposed to see. It might zoom in. Ignore it. Up close and personal this time, but I'm back. How are y'all? How y'all doing?
Hey, how y'all doing?
How's everything? I know it's been a while. I'm just not gonna make no more promises anymore because, yeah. But I want to review this Falscara. It is the bomb.com, guys. I am literally, I know it don't look like it, but I be struggling when it comes to putting lashes on, and it's a huge struggle of mine. But y'all, whoever found this out, shout out to Kiss, first of all, but whoever like put us on, thank you. I don't know who originally started it, but thank you so much. Thank you. You were a real one. But yeah, like, yo, when I tell you this is the easiest thing, it literally is. I know some of y'all be like, yo, it's not that easy. I tried it, blah, blah, blah. Like, this ain't lace. If they say it's easy, they lying. But they're telling the truth. Like, I'm telling the truth, guys. Like, yo, try it. Anyways, Kiss, you should sponsor me. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna show you how to do it with different lashes. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the lashes it comes with. Like, I've tried, as you can see, I tried like, what, 2 of them? I didn't really like it. It just looks flat to me. And I need, like, you know, for a person like me, I need them popping lashes. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna use these lashes today. Basic lashes, really. So I'm just gonna show you how easy this is, y'all. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bond. Real easy. I'm gonna apply the bond.
Like, it is so easy, I promise you. And you just like lightly coat it. Like, I mean, a little literally goes a long way. Literally. I like to just coat them very well.
So I'm getting this strand and I'm cutting it for every two things I see, whatever, 2 bands, or 2, I don't even know what to call this. Y'all let me know in the comments. Look like this. You should have basically, if this will just focus, basically look like this. And I'm gonna need my little mirror to do this. I'm gonna try to get as up close and personal as I can. And I'm just gonna like use my tweezers to kind of angle it a little bit, and bam. Oh shit. I'm gonna place it there, and then I'm gonna kind of like press it up and back, up and back. And that makes sense. Oh, up and back. Bam. Okay. You gotta be quick with it, otherwise the glue probably gonna dry. And just pressing up and back, up and back. Use my fingers, kind of look at that. These are actually a vibe. Yeah. Okay, this one's not the best one that I placed, right? But it'll do. It'll do. And bam! Like, I know they look really long, but sis, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me I didn't just get my eyes, like, I didn't just get my extensions right now. You can't tell me that I didn't just get them done. I'm gonna do the seal so I can kind of show you guys how that works.
And you're just gonna do it right here right here. Yeah. and bam, like,
girl, you don't gotta pay that $70 no more. You really don't. $70 where? 70, 80, 90, 100. I don't know how much y'all paying these days. But whatever you was paying, don't pay it anymore. Don't do it. For real, I'm so serious. Don't pay it. Why are you paying that? Why are you doing that to yourself, sis? Why? You can have these luxurious lashes. So just so you can kind of get an idea of how it looks when I look down, this is how it's looking. Don't worry about the black part. You could probably like kind of like get rid of that with a little bit of like water and the Q-tips. But right now I'm just gonna go back and press in. So as you can see, look how natural that looks. Look how natural that looks. Like what? You can't tell me nothing. 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 All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye.
I don't know if you're going very close to lash line. Hold up, we messed up here.
Hold up now. Hold your horses. And bam, like, how much do you want me to explain to you? How much do you want me to explain to you? Like, why you should get Falscara? How much do you want to explain to you? Like,
How much do you want to explain to you?
because nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know. All right? Period, poo. You can't tell me nothing. I guess what I will say for first timers, like for people that don't normally do this stuff, I will say that
Let me turn this seal. This seal is in.
I will say that it feels like it takes some getting used to, I would say, because it's very close. It's like you don't have to put it so close to your lash line. I just do that because that's me. But you just literally have to let it touch the lash, if that makes sense. You just have to make sure that it literally touches the lash, because that's where it is. That's where the glue is. And the glue is very powerful. I know it's very hard to believe, but the glue is very powerful. Like, look at this. This is flawless. Flawless. Like, sis, what are we doing? What are we doing? Flawless. You couldn't tell me these are not individuals. You can't. You can't tell me that they're not. Like, and for something that costs, I think I got on sale for $17.99. It's normally $24.99 for this big pack, but you could really just get the bond. Honestly, if you have the bond and the seal, you are good to go. You could cut up any like set of lashes like these. That's what I did. And that's it, sis. And this is actually my first time trying it this way. So props to me for doing it out on a limb. Okay. But yeah, guys, like, this is it. This is what I want to show you. I'm sorry I have been like gone for some time. I'm so sorry. But I will definitely do better. Shout out to the person that found this out, because this is so cute. Like, bruh, this is so cute. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.